So Christmas is fast approaching, and what better way to get into the festive spirit than to dress the part?
All right, so today we'll be doing just that while putting our fashion design skills to the test.
Yes, you guessed it, guys. We are making ugly Christmas sweaters.
No, disclaimer. This is a disclaimer.
What's the disclaimer?
Nisha.
More you love me first of all. You know.
No, because everybody loves me when my dance, you know. Nisha don't have no skill when it comes to arts and crafts, hand making, cooking, none of them.
Why you tell the people them are things?
Okay.
Why you tell the secrets? That is true, guys. The hands, the creativity like this doesn't.
All right, so let's go. May I try to make it so bad when you start.
When we start dancing later. All right.
All right, ready?
Anisha's gonna win.
All right.
Okay.
Ready. All right.
Are we ready?
Yeah. Them say go.
You see, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to start. All right. Okay. Let me just look on Talia. Copy is a thing, right? I want to see what Talia is doing. Talia, what? She have sticker. May I take the sticker too? You see your follow fashion monkey? Let me see. All right. I'm going to take this one too. You hear the song? Oh, what fun it is to ride. See, I have Christmas nails. See that? I'm ready.
You have Christmas.
I'm ready.
Nisha, focus.
I'm here though. Okay.
Focus.
Oh, you stick that on already?
What do you mean?
Wait, how long we have for this?
All right. Clacker go.
Okay.
Clacker strike.
All right, Talia. You said because you're already dressed with a Christmas top.
You match the Christmas tree.
You match the Christmas tree. And the objective is to make it ugly, right? Not to try to something cute.
No.
Oh, good. What happened?
Did you say a good?
You say bad mind?
Bad
good. Good. Okay. All right, how you hook this on? It's okay. Talia, why are you going so fast?
Because.
Why are you going so fast? Are we timed?
Yes, it looks
No, man.
You try.
Talia.
Skidazzle.
Did you say bedazzle?
Skidazzle.
I thought you were bedazzling the
No.
So does these things have to stay on? All right, I'm gonna give this a little, so this is my little snowman, right? Because I want when persons see me, they're gonna put something in it. You see that? So I'm gonna put that on so you can just drop a little $5. What is something about the $5? You remember that old Christmas song?
Nisha,
About $5?
you can't distract me, you know.
Talia.
You cannot distract me.
You know, Malcolm makes it by any means necessary, you know. So
You
may I win, you
can't
know.
distract me.
By any means necessary, you know.
You can't talk me out.
So distraction is what it is. Distraction is what it is.
No. Nisha, what you doing over there? How you get that on yours?
Wait, don't cheat, you know. Don't cheat,
You
know.
You cheat with me and my sneaker. But most can cheat with
Oh,
something
you
else
have so
too.
much on it. All right, Talia, you go hard, you know. You go hard, but it's all right. Jesus is on my side.
Nisha, it's why you do that. Oh, you stick it on. It's hook the
no, you
blouse.
don't.
The sweater.
You know what? Let me get the glue out.
I don't.
There's glue, guys. There's glue.
Nisha,
Wait, what?
careful. You might hurt yourself.
You feel it coming, right?
I feel it.
You feel it. This is not
feel
for
it.
me.
This is the first time ever make one sweater.
I'm trying to make it ugly.
Yeah, try to make
I feel
it
like the guys
ugly.
at home are laughing. Talia, that's pretty. It's not pretty sweater.
You go on.
All
Go
right.
on, put on my things.
All right. Say blue. The Christmas colors are blue. No. I didn't even see that. They're accessories. She's
Yeah.
accessorizing.
I know. Yes, see me
Talia.
now.
She's matching our dress. How do you get this off so easy? Guys. No. Ho. Talia.
Yes. Why are you trying to distract me, Nisha?
This is. I don't. You know what?
Jaja.
I'm used to winning in my life.
How much time
you know.
we have left, guys?
We have a lot of time. Don't stress me out. All right. Where's my scissors? Talia, did you see my scissors? Is this sabotage? Sabotage.
Nisha.
Talia, where my scissors there?
Me never teeth your scissors,
Teeth my
miss.
scissors, guys. You see this thing? All right, let me get scissors. All right. It's all right to know. Win by any means. What's that song called? Win. Win. You know that song? Nobody? Just me? That's okay. That's okay. I know it. Okay. One of the guys at home are like, thank you. So if I put too much glue on, is it going to be on my... Talia, why are you so focused?
Because-
What's happening? Talia, I don't like the silence over there.
We're working.
She's focused, guys.
We're working.
I like that. That's pretty. But I'm not going to steal the idea. All right.
I feel like Nisha teeth me something enough. Nisha, what you teeth me something?
Lies. The lies you tell. All right. There. Yo, guys, I am winning. Look at this winning attitude right here. Winning.
Right now I'm nervous.
You nervous because you know we're going to lose?
No, can't lose.
You saw that?
Can't lose.
Okay.
Can't
Okay.
lose.
I'm out of...
Where my scissors?
Santa Claus. Everybody in the studio, quiet.
Cheese and peas.
I'm nervous.
Hold on. Nisha,
Ooh.
one. Mama, forget about my little bell them.
Ooh. Are you going to use everything on the table on the sweater?
I feel like we should get a
Get a blind. All
no,
right.
we should get more points
If we use everything.
for using things. All right.
I'm here for that.
Yeah. All right.
We're almost out of time.
No, can't that.
Talia, why you look so convicted?
Focus.
She's going hard. All right. Maybe there was an error here on my part in thinking that I could catch this in here. So. Oh Lord, I just want to apologize to the official ugly sweater makers out there.
got a minute left.
It's not going on, people.
Nisha, hide the hook them. Nisha, hide the hook them.
Okay, you don't deserve hooks. You see what I say about being creative, guys? It's not for me. It's not for me. Using your hands. What's that about? Talia, slow down, no man.
Nisha, you went out dance me, no, I have to show my worth.
The lies you tell.
I have to show myself.
Show myself. Talia, I have to show my worth.
I have to show my worth.
I love it.
Yeah, prepare up for the
Alright.
for the dancing.
All right, I'll warm up for that later. Watch. Redeem myself.
Nisha, hide the hooks.
I feel like yours
How much
looks
time we have,
pretty,
guys? Jesus!
10 seconds.
No!
So we have to put it on too? All right, hold on there.
No, my one can't go on right now.
I think once it
My
goes...
glue need to dry.
Too bad for you. You know that song? Hey. Hey. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Hey. Ooh. I'm excited. Time is up, cheating girl. Check it out. Do we see it? Anybody?
Wait. I'm ready
Time
for
is
you.
up, ma'am.
I'm ready for you. Hold on, check it out, guys. I have Nisha.
No, first of all, I want to say, I think Talia's actually looks nice. It's not ugly. Sorry. So you failed. But this, I feel, look at this.
Something drop off.
Look at this. Look at that. Look at the winning one here. You see that?
How did I do, guys? Ah, see him there.
So what do we think?
See him there.
But you know what, Talia? The only ugly that we accept at the most wonderful time of the year
Is this?
is Talia's ugly t-shirt.
No,
Only
mine,
sweater.
mine no look bad.
We'll be right back. You know, see, I'm me win. We soon come.